As technology advances, the role of AI in graphic designing is becoming increasingly important. AI tools can help designers create more complex designs with ease and improve the overall efficiency of their workflow. One way AI is helping in graphic designing is through automated background removal. This tool allows designers to quickly and easily remove the background of an image, making it easier to integrate into designs. Another way AI is helping in graphic designing is through color palette generation. This tool uses algorithms to analyze an image and generate a color palette that complements the image. This saves designers time and effort in finding the perfect color scheme. AI is also helping designers with typography. With the help of AI-powered tools, designers can easily generate typography that complements their design. This helps designers save time and effort in selecting and customizing fonts. Finally, AI-powered layout tools help designers create designs with ease. These tools use algorithms to analyze content and generate layouts that are visually appealing and easy to read. With the help of AI, designers can create better designs in less time. And as technology continues to advance, we can expect even more AI-powered tools to become available to graphic designers. Now, here are some tips and tricks websites for graphic designers looking to incorporate AI into their workflow. One, Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design tool that incorporates AI into its platform. It offers tools for image editing, color palette generation, and layout creation. 2. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is an AI-powered tool that helps designers with various tasks such as image editing, color selection, and font pairing. 3. Deepart.io. Deepart.io is an AI-powered tool that allows designers to transform images into artistic styles. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze an image and generate an artistic version of the image. 4. DesignHill. DesignHill is an online graphic design tool that offers a variety of AI-powered features such as logo design, brand identity creation, and social media design. Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool that offers various AI-powered features such as layout creation, prototyping, and collaboration. These websites and tools are just a few examples of how AI is helping in graphic designing. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative tools to become available to graphic designers.